to fix your incoming call not showing when you are on another call or call waiting problem. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix the incoming call not showing when on another call or call waiting problem here. So if you aren't seeing incoming call when you are on another call and call waiting isn't working, here are some troubleshoot steps for this issue. First of all, you have to go for your phone app on your device and you have to tap on this gear icon or setting menu and you have to go for your call setting here. Once you are on your call setting, you have to just go for the call waiting here. And you have to ensure that the call setting is call waiting is enabled. So during a call, notify me of other incoming call here. You have to enable this. Also make sure that you have a proper network connection here. So make sure your network support call waiting too. Also a simple restart can often resolve the temporary glitches. So also you can go for your setting here. So once you are on your setting, you have to just go for the reset option. If you find any reset option here, just go for the connection and sharing. And on your connection and sharing, you have to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So just go for the reset setting here, which can also fix the network related issue. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the incoming call not showing when on another call. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.